Hi, what can I get you?
Hi, chicken wings, please.
Mild, medium, or hot?
Excuse me?
Mild, medium, or hot?
Hot. I don't like cold food.
Mild means not spicy. Medium is a little spicy, and hot is very spicy.
Oh, medium, please.
Okay, naked or breaded?
Naked? Oh, you mean without clothes?
Naked means without batter, skin only, and breaded means with crispy coating. We dip them in batter before cooking.
Oh, naked, please. Fewer calories.
Good call. So medium naked chicken wings coming right up.